filming my car, my boat, and stuff like that in this beautiful, beautiful site here that I'm at. I'm gonna explain to you why, because I've been doing it all on this puppy right here. This thing is amazing. You know what I'm talking about when I show you coming up next. Let's go. I'm Touchtone from Touchtone Architecture. If you're new, please subscribe, hit the little bell, keep alert of all my videos. We're giving one of these away in about a week. It's gonna be the matte black one. What does the car and all that have to do with this? The filming that was filmed here on this. Listen guys, what is this? It's the Oppo Find Me. It's what? A fold, no crease. Yes, no crease. This thing is amazing. Why do I like it better than the Galaxy Fold 3? I'm explaining to you many, many reasons why. First of all, no crease. Second of all, so usable. The screen is wider. It fits in the palm of your hand. You don't have something extended that you can't even use. Your fingers can't use it. It's just perfect. And then when you open it, it automatically transfers. Now, the filming, the features, the fast charger comes included in this Oppo Find Me. Listen, I've used it for a little bit over a month. It's just the filming, the pictures, the features that other phones don't have, that the Galaxy Fold 3 doesn't have, and I have the Galaxy Fold. This phone by far is worth it. How much is it? It's about $1,800. You can't get it here in the United States. That's the only problem. Very few people have this phone, but I'll put a link in the description below where you can get it if you do want it. Go to eBay as well. You can get it there. Does it come with the Play Store? It does not come with the Play Store. But do you need the Play Store? Yes, of course you need the Play Store. But what happens? You can always sideload it. If you buy it from eBay, they give it to you. The Play Store does come included. I've sideloaded this one myself, personally, and it's no big deal. Oppo Find M. What do I like about it so much? Let me show you the features that it has. Let's go right into it. Look at that, just look at this. You can take a picture, but once you fold it, take a picture just like that. These are the specs on your camera. Of course, you got a 50 megapixel camera. It's running Snapdragon 888, 450 milliamp battery. Just open it up like that, take a picture. Look how sweet this is. Split screen, touch it, opens up to the one main screen. These are the colors. Beautiful. These are your chipsets, your battery, everything else you need to know. Look at the colors. Incredible. Oppo has just really done it. I mean, it's just outstanding. Oppo has just so many different type of phones, but this one right here has taken the cream of the crop. I mean, in my opinion. Beautiful colors, smooth, sleek looking. They run just so smooth. It's incredible. Look at the colors. You open it up, look at the way these are the features. So once you close it like that, you can't even see the crease. I'm telling you, there is no crease down the middle the way they did it. All right, it's smooth, just back and forth. Oppo has the price at, well, it depends, but if you're gonna buy it from here in the United States, you have to take in mind that it is $1,800. Forget about the price you're seeing here on the screen. That's if you were there in China and you are not in China. These are different colors you got here. Pretty cool colors. I like personally the white one and the matte black. The matte black is probably the one we'll be giving away. Well, the one we will be giving away. All you gotta do is subscribe, like, and make sure you comment on the video. And just look how smooth this is. Look, just super smooth. The way you can fold it. Look at that, just incredible. So you've seen it, you've seen the features, guys, you've seen it. Want to do something in a different, wow, guys, this is live. This is not scripted. Obviously, I couldn't script something like this. I'm about to show you guys something beautiful. There's a manatee right here. Oh, whoa. There goes a manatee, guys. Look how beautiful that is. In the middle of a video, isn't that beautiful? I filmed that, a little piece of that on my Oppo, guys. I switched over to my Oppo. I got it, I had enough time. There was two manatees, one coming from one side, one coming from the other side. Guys, man, that was pretty cool, guys. I think that video, that alone was just worth it, okay? If you guys want to win this, go below, subscribe, hit the little bell, keep alert of all my videos. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you love the features. It was a short video. After a month of using this puppy, hey, listen, I'm stoked. I think it's one of the best things out there. It is the best phone out there, 2022, 2021, whatever you want to call it. This is it, guys. This is it. I'm telling you, it's amazing. You get the charger, you get everything that comes with it. What can I say, guys? You know how we do here, guys. Peace and grace and what? Catch the new tech wave.